Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Reports.
The US dollar slumped to a 3-week low versus the Japanese yen and struggled against its other major rivals as markets ramped up bets on a softening in the pace of rate hikes. An Australian judge ordered Samsung to pay 14 million Australian dollars in penalties for misleading ads about the water resistance of some of its phones, as earlier reported by Associated Press. Oil prices were mixed as concerns about a potential global recession that would knock energy demand offset lower crude inventories and a rebound in US gasoline consumption. The Aussie dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.2%. The CCI indicates an overbought market. The last session saw Microsoft's stock rise 2.7%. The CCI indicates an overbought market. The dollar-yen pair plummeted 1.3% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The pound dipped a slight 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The French gross domestic product will be released at 0530 GMT, Australia's producer price index at 0130 GMT, the UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 1930 GMT. Japan's annualized housing starts will be released at 0500 hours GMT, Japan's construction orders at 0500 hours GMT. The US personal income at 12:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.